Hello everyone, welcome again with this winter series with the beautiful nature. So today I'm taking the part 2 of the Woodbine Park, Woodbine Beach. So you can see behind me the Lake Ontario, and a lot of people today, even though lot of snow behind me, you can see. So people enjoying outside. It's very mild today, so it's you're able to go. So let me show you the sceneries. Okay, so in my first video I came from that side and I walk the other side. So now I'm taking you through the boardwalk. You can see boardwalk go all the way miles. So that's the beach, and so let me walk through because there are more things to see. Boardwalk goes another about 20 minutes, but it's all covered with snow. So that's why even though we have a lot of people in the beach, compared to other times, summertime, less people. Normally you can see a lot of chairs there, people sit there, and over there they play volleyball and enjoying the sunshine, sunbathing and all that stuff happening there. So let me walk through to the other side of the Woodbine Beach, and there's a park. Yesterday there was a snowfall. The snow was soft. You can see it's very soft snow and nice and soft. So this behind where these lights, I think about 10 minutes from here you can go to the downtown Toronto. So in my other video I told you people jogging here, walking, having parties, and then there is a station for a bathing station, so people when they come here they can get change and go to the beach. So you can see like a bird watching too. Let's see if we can see any birds. So this area normally people play volleyball, beach volleyball. So possibly they will start sometime this month. So this is also, I have to take you back and show this because this area also part of the Great Lakes waterfront trail. So we can walk miles and miles, be closer to the Lake Ontario. And then there is this side. You can see the Woodbine Beach Park. It's close. Let's see what's the 75. Oh, this is Lakeshore Boulevard. So that's the park area, huge. That side. So let's see. What I can show you. So as I said, this side mostly sceneries are nice, but you can still see the beach, but mostly empty because normally they play volleyball there, beach volleyball. Okay. I'm trying to walk a little bit faster, so I want to show you some areas more closer to the downtown Toronto. Sceneries are nice. So you can see here. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Beautiful one, eh?
Beautiful today. A lot of people. Bye. So a lot of people are ended up talking to Summersea. You can see kids are, not kids actually, you some young people playing volleyball. Hello. I don't know if they realize I'm videotaping them, but pretty nice. Actually, I mentioned to you in my other videos, people in Toronto or even in Canada generally very friendly. I always have a connection with try to connect with people. So boardwalk is kind of packed with the snow, so I think I'm going to walk here. It's much easier to walk. So volleyball court, the led to me. It's quite nice though. I cannot bring natural beauty actually what I see through my videos per 100%. But if you are seeing these sceneries, really beautiful.
Ingredients for someone.
Okay, so let's see. So I came from that side. I'm trying to take you to the other side of the lake where you can, okay, from here you can slightly in the middle see the CN Tower. Okay, let's go this way. This is another parking lot, but right there you can see CN Tower right there. Okay, let's see if I can bring you both closer. Maybe a better view from the other side. These are dockyard. They park their boats because of the condition of the lakes. They cannot actually, no, they just wait until for the better weather. Water is cold, so you can hear birds nest. There are a lot of beautiful birds I have seen other times. You can hear them. Yeah, lot of birds here on those trees. And here some birds. I don't know their names actually, even this tree. So I don't know their names though. So some people kind of practicing skiing here. I'm not sure because I'm not so familiar with I used to skate a little bit when I first came to Canada, but I kind of stopped doing that. These are skiing, so they're just kind of practicing. So those are the boats. So right in the middle you can slightly see again the CN Tower, and the other tower I forgot what it's called. They clean the path, which is really good because A lot of people come here. So how beautiful watch looking from here. Okay, let me take you to this side.
Well, I think he's Monday to Friday.
So again you can see boats. They parked here. So this is the other side of the Lake like a little area that they park their boats. Okay, just keep watching and I just try to just walk and bring. So these are just the same sceneries. Okay, from here you can see in the middle CN Tower. I don't know, let me see if I can bring closer to you. See? CN Tower there. And all the downtown buildings, you can see some of them from here. These are very evergreen trees, but those trees must be very old. They lost their leaves. Okay.
The interviewer asked if their cessation of healthcare system worse by taking away nurses.
So I'm going to walk you closer You can see more. So there are goose swimming right there. Lot of them. So I came from that side. So you can see clearly now. Those towers, I don't know, but it's cold, but that's the CN tower right there in the middle. And then this you can keep walking and walking as far as you want to walk, but I'm going to take you turning around and take you this way, because this trail never, it's not end, it's keep going and going. You can see the plane. Can you, where is it? So for that reason I don't want, I cannot keep going miles and miles. Let me go a little bit here, and then I am going to walk you through, take you to the other side. Okay. So here again, okay, let me see, before I turn around, just want to see you again, this side. So this is the Lake Ontario again. See, these are rocks covered with snow. Very beautiful. When the weather is nice, you can go closer to that area, but it could be slippery. Could be slippery because of the yesterday there was a snowfall. 2 days ago, like, it has been snowing non-stop. See these all rocks covered with snow. So yeah, never, it's never end. I can take you miles and miles through Lake Ontario trails. People are cycling. Some people go from here to even to up to even Niagara Falls area. There is a trail to go there. So let's walk back. Water, I think, bit rough today. You can hear the strong currents today, waves. I don't know if you can see the ship. Let me, if I can bring closer here. Okay, right here. Just you see some dark spot. About like all the way far. So that's actually could be a ship. Only thing is very beautiful. If you see from your own eyes, it's beautiful, but I try to bring as much as I can. I try to show you as much as I can. Good morning. Actually, it's almost good afternoon. I think almost. Oh, 2 minutes, yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, people are nice. They are walking and they talk to you. So this is where I took you before. Let me take you this way again. Okay. Only because I am showing the scenery is beautiful. Path is clean here. As I told you, like people comes. So many people here. So because of that they have to keep the path clean. So evergreen trees. See a lot of snow still on the tree here. It's going to be very hard to do these videos during the summer. It's going to be very crowded. So let me take you closer. Rocks. You can see how strong the water. Very strong. Some days I have seen the worse than this, but this is one of the days that strong. Okay. So I'm actually walking on snow. The snow is very soft today. So people cycling too, since path is clean. So there is no reason. Okay, that I can see far right there. It's I've been actually all the way there as well. It's close to Etobicoke, like another city, but I've been there. You can see a lot of planes going here too as well. The reason is there are small airports and the island airport. Okay, let's keep walking. More bird nest. More actually I cannot hear any birds in this side, but other to my left I saw before a lot of birds. So these are very beautiful. So a lot of people do the dog walking. Snow, it's beautiful because looks nice, because yesterday there was snowfall, so it's still nice. That's why I decided to come today before the temperature get very high and then you miss the snow. Okay, have to be careful here with a lot of snow, rocks. Okay, there are more planes. So all rocks. Oh, this is nice. I think this winter, this is the only time I saw frozen ice here. Let's see. Yeah. Time to time there are ice storms, but these are just frozen because from the it's closer to the water. So you can see the tree, almost ice hanging on the tree. And see, it's very beautiful. So if I walked the other way, I could have missed that, seen that ice. It's it's very nice to look at them. So the side all snow again. I came from that part. Rocks here, I think it's around here, bit, I think bit deeper. So they don't want the people to go beyond that point, I think. Okay, here normally I go through there. I don't know if I can go. Looks, I'm going to try. I'm going to try to go there from there, because I'm going to, otherwise if I don't go, I'm going to miss a lot of beautiful sceneries. So what I'm going to do, take a chance. Look here. And I'm going to go closer to the here. See how strong. So this around here water is deep and strong winds. and some ice, the snow become ice here. Okay, let's keep okay. So you cannot even sit or see the water is very you, color is bit greenish. Look at that ice hanging on the tree. It's getting stronger and stronger. Okay, let's walk. So I believe that you can hear the waves. So this is again here beautiful ice. Far away you can see trees. Those areas there are houses. So I'm walking on the snow here, close to these beautiful icicles, like ice. Get closer to the water. It's nice. See, it's beautiful. Look at that one. I want to show you that little how the ice are hanging on that. I think it's a wood. See how strong the water. It's very getting stronger. But it's safer to be here because there are huge rocks. It won't come beyond rocks unless it's something unusual happens. And then there are some birds. I don't know what you call them. Right there. They go right in. I forgot their names actually. I heard from some other place. They go right in and come back. You can see like 3, 6, 8. See, they go right in and then come back up. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let me keep walking. So you can see more beautiful sceneries as we walk. See, beautiful. It's ice. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I can see, touch here. Ice. It's icy. Some areas, it's some ice here, but yeah. Okay. So you never, I myself never get fed up of looking at the water. Look at this, little cute. The ladies walking the dogs, and you can see hundreds of beautiful dogs. I can, yeah, because area people who lives in these areas, they are well to do, so they, most of them, they have like expensive dogs even. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh, water coming very close. Very beautiful. Wind is coming to my face. It's refreshing. It's nice to look at this. Okay, let's keep walking. Maybe there are more things to see. So yeah. Okay, I'm walking in the main area now. Main here, where it's clean. Because I'm not sure if I can. Okay, I'm trying in this way now. So normally you can go down here too if you want, but I think I won't, because yeah, normally you can go down there, because around here snow, ice maybe, so I don't want to go because of that. See, when you see from here, all nice and beautiful. Yeah. It's safer to go there normally summertime, with some rocks here. You can go down there and touch the water, but I don't take chance now since there were some snow. So I'm walking actually on the snow instead of the pathway, because I can show you closer. Okay, there are a lot of rocks and I cannot access them. I might have to go to the... See how beautiful here. Ice. Okay, let's go from here. So I'm wearing nice boots so I can walk on the snow as well. Okay. So, yeah, I think too many rocks here, but I don't know if I can go through here. No, I think I have to turn around and go. So many rocks, and there is no access unless I climb these rocks. I rather go to the other side. You can see more ice. There are some far away. I can see a boat. Possibly I saw you there before. Could be a ship. Okay, I think I'm turned around and going because a lot of rocks. Unless I have to maybe climb those to get around, but I rather take the safe path, especially a lot of ice here and snow. Okay, let's so I came from there. I walk you through other side, and even from here you can slightly see the CN tower in the middle, right middle. Okay, this is again very beautiful, and you can see other side beach. I took you behind those areas in my other video, and all behind the residential buildings, houses. Far there in the middle, right middle, there are access that I took you before. Some beaches say that area. You can see people walking there. So that's other side of the beach. And then There are a lot of rocks here, but um, they just put for I'm not sure the reason why they put those rocks, because there is no danger actually from the lake. It's very maybe just to protect the beach from the water, so they have these rocks put there. And there are some exercise, you can do exercise here, fitness circuit, so people can do certain exercise here using this stuff here. And so that's all, I think. Let me see if I can show you more stuff. I mean, there are a lot of other things I can show you. Different season, things are different, so looks different season, so maybe sceneries will looks different each area. So again I came to the boardwalk. See, this is how it looks like. I bring you from the other side. And from here also you can see just like that. This empty area normally filled with plants and stuff like that during the summer, spring and summer. Okay. So I think I'm going to stop here. Yes, let me show you, if I can show you the beach, lakeside from here. Not so, because so behind here the lake, I came from that side. Yeah, it's quite busy today. There are different people walking here. So I think this is all for today. It's been a long video, and thank you for watching. So until we see you with another video, bye bye.